Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geovani Pradipta. I'm from Minasarana Informatica, or people usually call it BSE, and my study program is Informatics. So today, I want to make a video for my English project, and the topic is about explain three parts in the computer, and it's graphic card, processor, and storage device. Okay, so we going to the first one is graphic card. Graphic card, also called GPU, which is graphic processing unit, is hardware component in the computer that's responsible for bringing image, video, and animation to your display. A graphic card typically includes GPU chip. It's for the computation like CPU but for graph only. VRAM is like special memory like RAM, but it's to store with texture and frame data. Cooling system to prevent overheating. Power connector, it supplies power, and display outputs to connect your monitor. And there's two types of graphic card. The first one is integrated GPU. It's like a default CPU built into the CPU itself. Usually is from the brand itself, like Intel SD graphic, and that's good for basic only, like browsing or watching videos. And the second one is dedicated GPU. It's a separate component like NVIDIA or AMD cards. It's powerful and used for gaming, 3D modeling, AI, and video editing. And this is the example of graphic card. We can see here there's a lot of graphic card, and this one is RTX 4060 Ti. It's the best for gaming or editing, but it's very expensive. Yep, there's a lot of RTX here. Yeah, this is the example of the graphic card. So the size of graphic card is very big. In fact, this is the biggest part in the computer. This is the fan for the cooling system to prevent overheating. Yeah, that's it guys for the graphic card. So the second one is the processor. Processor, also known as the CPU, which is Central Processing Unit, is often called the brain of the computer. It handles instruction and calculation that allow your computer to run programs, perform tasks, and respond to input. So basically, this is the brain of the computer. The component is arithmetic logic unit, perform maths and logic operation, register, small storage area for quick access, cache, small high-speed memory to store frequently used data, cores, independent processing unit within the CPU. And this is the example of the CPU, the processor. You can see here the Core i7 Xeon processor, Pentium, i5, Core Duo. Yeah, for the size, it's small. It's very small compared to the graphic card. This is very small. This is the i9. This is the most powerful processor. and the price is expensive too, but graphic card is the most expensive. And the last one is storage device. Storage device is any hardware used to store, retrieve, and return digital data. It holds everything, from the operating system to apps, games, documents, and more, even when the computer is turned off. And the type of storage device, there's two main categories. First, primary storage. Example like RAM, which is random access memory. It's temporary, lose data when the power is off, and used for fast access while the computer is running. And the second one is the secondary storage. Example like HDD or hard disk drive, SSD or solid state drive, flash drive, CD and DVD. It's permanent, keeps data even the computer is turned off. Used for long-term data storage. So the primary storage is very fast, but it's temporary. It's only when the computer is turned on. While the secondary storage is for long-term data storage. And there's common storage device. It's like hard disk drive, solid state drive, NVMe SSD, flash drive, USB SD card, CD, DVD, Blu-ray, and external hard drive. And this is the example of the storage device. We can see here their CD or a DVD. And this is the hard disk drive. And this is the flash drive. This is flash drive. This is the hard disk drive. The big one for the computer and the small for the laptop. And this is the external hard disk drive. This is external hard disk drive. And this is the flash drive. Yep, that's it for the storage device. Alright guys, that's the video about component of the computer, graphic card, processor, and the storage device. Thank you for watching and goodbye.